Hello, let me show you how you can connect wireless mouse into your Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, you will have to open connections, open Bluetooth, and simply be sure that you turn on Bluetooth. Now you'll have to grab your mouse, and in my case it looks like that I have two buttons. First one to turn on my mouse, and the second one to enter for the pairing mode. So I have to just click and hold my button until this indicator starts blinking, just like this. And now, as you can see, I can try to scan one more time, and I can find my Huawei mouse on the list. So I can just tap on it and click pair. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see right now I'm connected. So I can actually navigate on my phone, I can change some settings. That's how it actually looks. And if you are looking for some other videos, for example, how can adjust this mouse settings, then also you can find it on my channel.